many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth, and I'm really happy to be part of this Dark Academia Valentine collab with these amazing, talented creators. I will have the playlist linked below in the description box, so please go check everyone out. And thank you to Annie from Indie Annie Jones for hosting this collab. Okay, so I have two DIYs for you today. Now, I did not know what Dark Academia was, so I did a little bit of research. There's a wide spectrum um, that I would say falls into this aesthetic. So basically, I like the fact that it's about, darker woods and like dark libraries from a old university, books and academia, so maps and architectural drawings, nature drawings, etc. So what I decided to do, this very first DIY, is super simple. I took four of these frames, like little clip frame board frames or whatever you call them. Oh my goodness. And as you can see, I painted the frame dark by mixing a little bit of black with the antique wax. I was using Waverly. And then I got these chalkboard. Oh, I'm sorry. I painted the metal part of the frame with that beautiful bronze color from Folk Art. Now I'm going to use that same, I'm just going to call it my stain mixture that I made with the black paint and the wax. And I'm painting the back of these chalkboard tags. I'm going to take some ribbon. Oh, I'm sorry. I have some metallic pens. You can get these from Dollar Tree. This just happens to be some that I have in my stash. And I'm going to write the word love, Love. Now, I did lose a little bit of footage. I'm going to take some dark ribbon and basically just put it through the hole of the tag, hot glue it, and then I'm going to clip it in to the little clipboard part. And then all I'm going to do is take that same ribbon and I'm going to attach all four of these together vertically so that it's one long sign. Okay, I hope you liked that first DIY. Moving on to the second and final DIY, I'm so excited to show you this. So, I love doing mixed media art, and I don't share a lot of that on my channel, but if you'd like me to do more mixed media, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, so I thought Dark Academia, I want to take maps and architectural designs, and I also want to draw some nature, and just kind of put it all together. So the frame that I showed in the beginning is not the frame I ended up using. I will use that for a different project though. It's beautiful. I thrifted that. Anyway, so I have this paper pad. It's by Tim Holtz, and it's an older collection. But any paper. You could even I don't know, an old encyclopedia or something. I guess I don't know. Atlas. I guess that's what I'm looking for. The word atlas. But I took this picture of the world and I just want to rip it up, make it look old. I'm using Liquitex to adhere it. You could use Mod Podge, whatever you've got. And then I'm also going to take some um, paper that has some drawings on it of, I don't even remember, some architectural drawing, and then one that has a typewriter and just different things that I don't know, I thought were pretty cool mixed together as a collage, right? And so I'm going to adhere all of them on, and then I'm going to let you just kind of sit back and watch and see the process. I will break in while I was filming instead of a voiceover to kind of explain some things. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mary Beth. I love all kinds of DIYs, and I really hope that you enjoy my content. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so, so, so grateful for you. So thank you for returning. And if you don't mind, I have a favor. If you do like this content, don't forget to hit the like button. It lets that algorithm know so that other folks who may like the same type of content could be presented with my videos as well. All right, enjoy, and I'll catch up with you in just a little bit.
Take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Okay, I'm going to explain this as I'm filming instead of a voiceover. So what I'm doing is I just decided to collage, and this is watercolor paper. Okay, so it's very thick. I think it's made of cotton. I mean, it can take a lot of abuse. Okay, so I chose, as you can see, just some maps and, you know, things like that. Now, and I did, as you saw, I used a little bit of this really cool brushed bronze, and I thought that was kind of neat to, you know, add it. Just wanted to make it look more old, that sort of thing. I did put a little bit of gesso here, and the reason I did that is I want to draw a couple little things, and I was just sketching. I am not an artist, but I'm wanting to draw like a butterfly or something like that. This is for my husband. I don't want him to hear me. And he loves history, and he just lost his dad, and I was watching a fellow creator talk about how a butterfly, you know, kind of resembles, I don't know, I'll get the information, but like, you know, makes you think of your loved one that has passed or whatever. So it's just a sweet little thing. So anyways, I totally said that all wrong, but that's kind of the simple for it. And then I might do some just vines or leaves, just simple, and that's it. Remember, this style, this aesthetic is a wide spectrum and kind of how you perceive it. And I'm perceiving old map, a little bit of drawing, you know, for this particular piece. So what I'm going to do, it's going to be hard for me to draw while I'm standing where I film. So I am going to just, that's why I was practicing sketching. I am going to take this to my drawing table and draw, so I won't be filming that part, but I will come back when that is done. Okay, so what I've done, now I'm not an artist, just I like to sketch. I love doing mixed media, and I typically draw whimsical, so drawing nature and stuff is very difficult for me, but if I can do it, you can do it. I just drew simple lines, and I tried to make somewhat of a butterfly, and just to add some character to it. And I happen to have a set of colored pencils, and I'm just gonna use those and do some colors on here, finish it up, and then we'll come back and we'll go from there.
could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear.
Okay. So I really like that bronze color so much. I mean, look, I took that Dollar Tree frame and it just looks so different. So all I'm going to do now is put this back into the frame. I do have to trim up. As you can see, I'm measuring it to fit the glass. I had to trim a little bit of it off, and then we're going to put it in the frame. And I think it turned out so nice. And I really hope you I hope you stuck around. I just cannot talk today. I hope you stuck around to see the reveal, because I just think it turned out so nice together. And yeah, so I really, really ended up liking this. I wasn't sure if I would. Honestly, this was a challenge for me. It's not my aesthetic typically, the way but I really do think it turned out nice. Oh, there we go. There's a reveal. And my husband did like it, and that's what was really important to me. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Do not forget to check out all the talented creators in the playlist. Again, thank you to Annie, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care